Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be on how to apply your lashes. Now I know I've been getting a lot of requests on, girl, I just can't get it down packed with my lashes, and that's really actually normal for most makeup lovers. Is they have an issue with either their eyebrows or doing their lashes, but it's okay because that's what this video is for. I got a video for you guys and it's going to be on how to apply your lashes. So here's the tools that you'll need. For one, your favorite pair of eyelashes, of course, and I'm going to be going on with Fantasy Beauty eyelashes in the style Glam. And then I'll be using specific tweezers. Now I know other people may prefer certain style of tweezers, which is okay because to me they apply differently whichever tweezers you use. Now depending on the tweezers is up to you. I have one with a round tip and a straight tip. This is what the round tip one looks like. I personally like to use my regular tweezers that just look like this, just because I feel like it gets a tighter grip. Now you can either spread them apart to make sure they clamp easier for you. I really don't like to spread mine apart too much because this is perfect for me because I can get them on my lashes. But yeah, your style of tweezers is your preference, but for this video I'm going to be using these ones. You're going to need some lash glue. Now I know for my ladies out there, you still like to use your weed glue. Nothing wrong with that. That is your preference. I used to use it myself too, but I just felt like that weed glue was really strong for my lashes and I didn't want my eyelids being bald, so I just decided to go with Ardell's Lash Grip. And this glue dries on your lids clear. Like when you first apply it, yes, it's white, but it's going to dry on clear. This is what it looks like. But it's going to dry on clear. I got makeup all over the top. For my base, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Falsies mascara. So first things first, I'm going to take a compact mirror because you're going to need one the whole time. I used to be able to know how to apply my lashes on straight on and just with my fingers, but I felt it was so much easier after I learned the whole tweezers method. So we're going to take that mascara and you're just going to, you don't have to put on a thick coat. We're going to take the mascara and you're going to put it on your eyelashes. Next step is the actual lash application. Another reason why I also like this glue is because it's easy to peel it off after you wore it on your lashes. It doesn't strip your lashes at all. It doesn't mess them up. But it's so easy to take the glue off. Also, with this glue, if you want to, like when it's time to clean your lashes, me personally, I just soak them in some water, some warm water, and good to go. I personally wouldn't soak them in soapy water because I would assume that you will get soap in your eye after you use it. But that's why I like this glue. It's easy to take off and it doesn't rip off your lashes. It's like, it's gentle on the eyes. That's what I'm trying to say. It's really gentle on the eyes. So first things first, you're going to take your glue and your eyelash and you're going to put the glue on the eyelash. I like this glue because it also has a precision tip, so it makes it easier for you to do. But just don't squeeze this specific tube too hard because it gushes out. Now, this part, see, right there on the band. Now we're going to take the tweezers and you're going to take it not here on the sides. No, get as close to that lash line as possible. And more than likely try to grab it in the middle too. So like this. Now here's the part. Don't try to like do it straight on because you're blocking your view anyway, so I don't see how you can do that. You want to be able to see it. So are going to take your compact mirror and hold it just below your chin, like right here. And you're going to look down so you can see where your lash line is. And then you're going to place it. Now you're going to have to kind of maneuver. Just place it right on your lash line. Don't place it on your lashes because it's going to hurt when it's time to take them off. And now this part, you're literally just taking your tweezers and you're pressing it on your lash line, making sure it's in the right spot, making sure it's not in your eyes, not on your lashes, but on that lash line. We're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Take your glue. And now what I like to do after I do the other lash, I like to go back to the other one that I first did and like squeeze them together to make sure they're blended right and sitting on my lash line. And then for my final thing, because I like to do my lower lashes too, I'm gonna take that same mascara, my Maybelline Falsies, and I'm gonna just go in on my bottom lash so it can pop this look some more. So yes, that is how you successfully apply your lashes, guys. And like I said, everything's step by step. If you need to pause in between videos, do that, because this is the perfect way to learn how to do your lashes. Like I said, you need favorite mascara so you can set the eye so you know what you want to do as far as like foundation for your lashes. And then me personally, I wouldn't recommend putting on mascara right after you do your lashes, because that gets your lashes a little bit more clumpier and dirtier quicker. So I would recommend that you use the foundation, the mascara first, and then put on your lashes, so you already have that nice blend. And then, like I said, once you place them on your lash line, not your lashes, your lash line. That sounds weird. Those are coming out. You're gonna take your tweezers. Once they're on there set, make sure you push those inner corners and outer corners in. And you're gonna take your tweezers and just squeeze to make sure they're on that lash line and make sure you're good to go. Yes. And then last but not least, you can go out on the town. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now your lashes are on, set, ready to go. And I promise you also with this glue, it lasts all day. They're not gonna come off, not at all. The only way your lashes are gonna come off in the corners or at all period is if you take them holes off. Also, guys, make sure you check that out if you're still trying to learn how to do your brows, guys. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you did successfully put your lashes on, because I want to know that this video actually helped you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.